Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another mechanical engineering license board exam reviewer. Today's topic is on power plant design. It's on HVAC, the airflow to exhaust refrigerant leak. Okay, here's our problem. And remember, if you have a problem, we have a solution. Compute the airflow in cubic feet per minute of mechanical ventilation required to exhaust an accumulation of refrigerant due to leaks of the system capable of revolving air from the machinery for a mass of 4 pounds refrigerant. Okay, we analyze our given. We're given a 4 pounds of refrigerant and it's leaking in out of the machinery room. The unknown is to solve for the airflow to exhaust the refrigerant due to leak. Okay. And before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share. Let's share the knowledge. Okay, back to the solution. So from building codes of machinery room based on ASHRAE, that's the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, Air Conditioning Engineers. The formula has been established where Q is equal to 100 times M to the power of 0.5, where Q is equal to airflow in cubic feet per minute, M is the mass of refrigerant in pounds. Now the refrigerant in question is ammonia and others, so similar refrigerants. 100 is a constant, so we now use the formula by substituting the mass that we're given. It's 4 pounds. We use that here. Substitute in the equation. Q is equal to 100 times 4, that's the pounds of refrigerant, to the power of 0.5, or the square root of 4. So square root of 4 equals 2. We multiply that by 100 and we got 200 cubic feet per minute. Okay, this got me a little into reading on the building codes for machinery rooms that has a possibility of a refrigerant leak. So yeah, I hope you got something out of this, you learned something, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, cheers and have a good one.